guys, welcome to Superwowstyle. This is Prachi, and in today's video I'm going to answer a very important question, which is Prachi, what's been up with your hair? You might have noticed that since Pongal my hair has been looking a little extra nice, a little extra happy, a little extra gorgeous. That's because guys, during Pongal this year, just a couple of days back, right, we had Pongal, I decided to get all festive ready and give myself a festive makeover by coloring my hair. So right now I'm sitting in artificial studio lights. It's a little difficult to tell. Let me show you what my hair color transformation has been like in actual natural light. Okay, so this is how my hair was looking before jet black hair, and this is how my hair started looking after hair coloring. Do you see the transformation is so real, guys? And for this I had used the Garnier Color Naturals hair color. Now I have used this hair color in the past as well. I have always loved this hair color, guys, because it's so amazing, so gorgeous, and if it can color my jet black hair, it can color, I feel like it can color anybody's hair really. And it also makes the hair so silky, shiny, awesome, smooth, soft, gorgeous. Do you see how beautiful my hair is looking, right? It's actually an ammonia free formula. Yes guys, ammonia free. And the shade I picked up for myself is 5.32 caramel brown. It's actually available in 11 shades, so you can pick and choose your hair color shade as per your choice. Now I know some of you will be like that, Prachi, picking the right hair color is very hard. I can understand sometimes it can get a little confusing, but here's the thing about this range, guys. First of all of these hair colors, they're designed for Indian skin tone, so that makes things a little easier. And also you can actually use the Garnier Color Match tool on Garnier's website, which will help you try on different shades and select the right one. If you love trying out new looks, be it global, streaks or highlights, you can transform your look very easily now with the help of Garnier Color Naturals hair color. The intense color payoff lasts up to 10 weeks. Yes guys, up to 10 weeks, and it's so nourishing, so amazing for the hair, apart from giving your hair that beautiful, gorgeous hair color. So let's get started, and let me first show you what are the contents of this box and what you get in this kit. So the first thing you find is a colorant and a developer, and then of course there is the instruction manual, there is the conditioner, and then there are the gloves. Now before starting, remember the #1 beauty rule: whenever you're trying out any new product, always do a patch test. So you can just take a little bit of the formula on a Q-tip or whatever and do a patch test on a small patch of skin. I like to do this behind my ear because I feel like that's the perfect spot. Do this 24 hours before applying your hair color. Okay, so 24 hours before applying the hair color, you do your patch test. And now for the process in itself, I'm going to take the colorant and the developer in a non-metallic bowl, and I'm gonna mix it up real good. This has to be mixed in the ratio of 1:1. Also, don't forget to put on an old bathrobe or an old towel to cover yourself up, around the shoulder area. Remove your jewelry, guys, especially your earrings, your necklace, these things you want to remove. Apply some petroleum jelly or oil around your hairline in case you're clumsy like me, you don't want color on your skin. Wear your gloves and then just go ahead, apply your hair color. So I'm just gonna start from the roots and go all the way. So guys, when you're applying the hair color, you apply it to the length of your hair, or if you want to do a different style, right, if you want to do streaks, if you want to do highlights, you can pick and choose. I just colored my entire hair, and then just leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse it with water, apply a conditioner on damp hair, and then rinse it thoroughly as well. Dry your hair naturally or with a blow dryer, and that's it. And then of course enjoy your beautiful, vibrant colored hair. Do you see how amazing this transformation is, guys? The hair looks visibly so much more different. It looks so gorgeous. So I put on my festive outfit because obviously when the hair is looking that gorgeous, you want to do justice to that look, right? And there it is, guys. I'm festive ready just like that. It's so easy peasy to think of it. This hair color transformation literally just takes 30 minutes. That's it. 30 minutes sitting at home and you have completely transformed your hair. You've transformed your look. Your hair is looking amazing. And here's what I realized about the Garnier Color Naturals hair color, guys. The hair color is definitely there. It's beautiful, vibrant. Right now I'm sitting in artificial studio lights. This is artificial lights, guys, so you may not be able to tell much difference, but can you still see how gorgeous the hair texture is? It looks silky, shiny, smooth, awesome. It's looking so happy. It's dancing in happiness. It's bouncing. The Garnier Color Naturals hair color truly has been a game changer and it's so easy peasy. So Guys, let me remind you, this product is ammonia free. It contains no ammonia. You can totally use this, and I will put the link in the description box below. You can check it out, because I feel like if it could color my jet black dark hair, it can color anybody's hair. Okay, so check it out. I will put the link in the description box below in case you're wondering about the price. So this pack retails for rupees 200, just like the shades 4.2, 5, 6.60. Yes guys, they all are priced at rupees 200, and the mini packs are priced at rupees 89. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video as well, it is available in various shades. It comes in 11 colors, and you can use the color match option to figure out which shade would work best for you in case you can't make up your mind. Because guys, it's time for colorful hair for a brighter you. So go ahead, give it a shot, and if you still have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear your queries. I would love to help you out. Also, don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Sorry, I am obsessed with my hair. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.